Hi guys, my name is Andrew Braverman. I am the General Manager of North Shore Sports and Wellness here at the Athletico Center in Northbrook, and we have one of the most advanced lighting systems that you can find at any athletic facility. We had some great people from Vision Engineering come out from California and install these high-powered LEDs. And best of all, we've been using the Avi-on app to control everything, and that allows for instant access, dimmable lights, no gateways, and everything at our controls to the palm of a hand on cell phones, tablets. I use my iPhone, and matter of fact, I can go ahead and just show you how it works right now. If I just go straight into the Avi-on app, and I'm here, I've got 120 yards by 62 yards of field turf here, and if I want to go zone by zone, you'll see behind me at one touch, those lights just go right off. Back corner, off. In front of us, off also. But you know, I'm not a big fan of darkness. Let's make sure we see everything and pop all these back on. 3, 2, and 1. Best of all, if I want to tone them down, easy dimmer. Everything controlled by here. I can set schedules on here. I can turn my lights off remotely, whether I'm in the building or at home. No complaints from me. So thank you very much to the Avi-on app for making this extremely easy and efficient.